We're gonna fly into space. Yeah, into the clouds. Are you gonna do this? Go, 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 go.
What do we say to this now?
Hello and welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
We have row 3 followed by row 2 followed by row 1.
I mean, even though I'm scared of heights, I'm gonna forget it. I'm not gonna look down. I'm not gonna look down. Forwards. Or down. Not down. Forwards or down. No. Down. Anyway, I'm gonna just squeeze mommy over.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
I'm sure Josh was smiling and saying this is going to be funny. I'm sure he was
entire flight. Thanks for soaring with us.
Yeah, they brought back the old one for the 100 celebration.
To unfasten your
So it's a
seatbelt, just
limited
push
time.
down on the red button on your right.
Yeah.
Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the under seat compartment and exit to your right.
My friends, if you're exiting all the way up to the right.
Destination exit.